Hey everyone, today I'm putting together this beautiful Mother's Day gift basket, and I love how simple and elegant this one turned out. I started with this red bucket as my base. It's such a bold color and perfect for a classic Mother's Day theme. For this basket, I decided to keep it simple and only use 4 products. I went with a cherry blossom set, the body wash, lotion, and body scrub, and a travel size hand cream, all matching and perfect for a relaxing self-care moment. I did try to add a charcoal face mask, but it just didn't fit right. I didn't want to overcrowd the basket. Sometimes less really is more. Then I arranged everything to make it look full and balanced, so it still feels like a complete and thoughtful gift. This would be perfect for a Mother's Day or honestly any occasion where you want to treat someone special. Let me know what you think of this basket, and don't forget to tell me what kind of baskets you want to see next. Your ideas help me decide what to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.